Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will be going to teach you integration by parts. So I will discuss the derivation for the standard formula for integration by parts and two examples related to integration by parts. So let's see the derivation of integration by parts. So it says let u and v be the functions of x, then the derivative of uv would be equal to u dv plus v du. Then by integrating both sides we would get this, and as we know the integral of duv is uv only, so we would get this. Now by transposing integral of v du to LHS we would get this, and this is the standard formula for integration by parts. Now let's look up at the first example. So it says evaluate the integral of x sin x dx. Now we can substitute x is equal to u and sin x dx is equal to dv. Now we would get this. We have substituted dv is equal to sin x dx, and by differentiating both sides here you would get du is equal to dx, and here by integrating both sides we would get this. As we know the integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. Now by putting all the values that we got in this formula, then we get this as u is equal to x, and dv is sin x dx, and uv is x into minus cos x, then we would get this, and v du is minus cos x into dx, and this, and this minus and this minus would become plus, so we can get this, and as we know the integral of cos x dx is sin x, so this is our final answer. Now let's look up at the second example. So it says evaluate the integral of natural logarithm of x divided by x squared dx. We will substitute u is equal to natural logarithm of x and dv is equal to 1 upon x squared dx. You can substitute u is equal to 1 upon x square and dv is equal to natural logarithm of x dx, but further it would not help, it would make the integral more difficult, so we will substitute this only. By differentiating both sides here we would get this, and by integrating both sides here we would get this. As we know the integral of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x. Now by putting all the values that we got in this standard formula for integration by parts we would get this, as u is natural logarithm of x, and dv is 1 upon x square dx, and u into v would be natural logarithm of x into minus 1 upon x, and we would get this, and v du is minus 1 upon x into 1 upon x dx, so we would get this, and this minus would become plus, so we would get this, and as we know the integral of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x, so we would get this. And now we can further simplify this function, and we can write it as a common denominator x, and we would get this, and we can further write it as this. So if you want to suggest any math problem to me on which I should make my next video, then please comment it. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the notification bell to get notified about the new videos.